So after that we will start example 2 of your NCERT textbook, that is page number 127, page 127 from your NCERT book. Here is the question that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium, okay, with AB parallel to DC. E and F are points on non-parallel sides. On non-parallel sides AD and BC, such that EF is parallel to AB. Okay students, and you have to show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Clear? Now the diagram here is the given. We will write ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C, D. Now EF, given that EF is parallel to AB. Okay, EF is parallel to AB and ABCD is a trapezium. So make sure that first of all in construction you have to join any one diagonal. Suppose AC. This is the diagonal I am joining here. Join AC diagonal. Okay students. Next, proof. So you see from triangle CAB, here is the intersection point. Let it is suppose G, suppose. Okay. Next come to the point from triangle CAB triangle. Hence EF parallel to AB and EGF all are in the straight line, then we can write that GF parallel to AB. From theorem 6.1, the parallel lines intersect other 2 points. That means this is divided by in the same ratio. For that reason, if GF parallel to AB, we can write CG by AG equal to CF by BF. Okay students, otherwise we can write here the reciprocal, or we can write AG by CG equal to BF by CF, taking equation number 1. Next come to the from triangle ADC triangle. In ADC triangle you see EG parallel to DC. Why? Because of AB parallel to DC, this is given, and EG parallel to AB by construction. So EG parallel to AB by construction and AB parallel to DC given. So we can write EG parallel to DC. Now you apply here theorem 6.1. Hence EG parallel to DC, we can write AE by ED equal to AG by GC or CG. So here taking equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 You see AG by GC here, AG by GC, and in equation 1 it is AG by GC. Now BF by CF equal to AE by ED, or finally you can write AE by ED equal to BF by CF or FC, what it is claimed.